Too many courgettes? No need to panic. You don't need to hide them in your neighbour's car boot or try to sneak them into church raffles. Today, I'll show you how to turn them into jam. Yep, jam, and with lemons. It's autumn's wonderful secret. The jam that hides your glut. If you've ever grown courgettes, you'll know the problem. They're the easiest vegetable in the world. One day, they're little baby marrows. The next day, you've got something that could double as a baseball bat. They're generous, but sometimes overwhelming. And autumn is when they reach their peak. If you don't use them quickly, you'll be drowning in courgettes. That's why thrifty cooks across Europe, including here in Hungary, have found clever ways to deal with the glut. Today's recipe is one of those tricks. Here's how it works. We peel and grate about 1.5 kilos of zucchini. Then we add the zest and juice of 2 lemons. Now, the lemon does more than just add flavour. It provides acidity, which helps preserve the jam safely, and pectin, which makes it set properly. Without lemon, you just have sweet zucchini soup. With lemon, you've got a proper preserve. Simmer gently until the zucchini turns soft and translucent. Then add sugar, about 1 kilo, and if you like, a little vanilla for depth or ginger for warmth. Stir it occasionally for 40 to 60 minutes until it thickens and shines. And here's the best part, no one will guess it's courgette. The flavour is citrusy, light, almost like a lemon marmalade. You can serve it to your friends, and when they say, "Lovely jam, what is it?" you can casually reply, "Oh, just the vegetable that took over my garden." In Hungary, autumn is the great preserving season. Families used to spend whole weekends stirring cauldrons of plums for jam, or baking quinces, or bottling pears. It was about making sure nothing went to waste and keeping a taste of sunshine for the long winter. This zucchini lemon jam fits right into that tradition. Instead of letting your courgettes pile up, you're turning them into something golden, bright, and completely unexpected. So next time your zucchini harvest gets out of control, and trust me, it will, try making jam. Would you actually try zucchini jam, or do you think this is one step too far? Let me know.